This series of parts is made for a sensor that we make for the ConAg industry. Big Caterpillar, John Deere, people like that. They use this bolted right into a transmission, probably several times the size of this machine, into a tractor that barely fits into this room. Very robust, very sturdy, but also very precise. This is a safety product that will tell the operator if there's any filtration issues on the lubrication systems in the transmission. When you think about the second, third order of effects, if this part doesn't work, it shuts down a $400,000 transmission on a $5 million tractor, probably on a $50 million a day mining operation. High consequence of failure. We've been the single source of this product for about 20 years. We used to buy these once upon a time on the outside when we were making them back in the US. As we built micro technologies around us, particularly around the tool and die making and building our journeyman tool technical resource people, we took another look and said, maybe we can start to do that ourselves. And we insourced in a world when most people are outsourcing. We like the idea of doing the next obvious thing ourselves. So good tool makers, good practices, good demand, steady clients. Why not bring something like this in-house and add to our core competencies? And we did that about 10 years ago. This part is now by far the largest thing we make. It gave us about a 70% cost reduction from buying it on the outside. But more importantly, it allowed us to get into what is now another core competency, micro machining for us. But where all that fluid is squirting, there's a very, very, very small piece of metal sticking out. That's the latest part we're making. This is now for medical devices. Oh, here we go, thank you. So I don't know if you can see what's in this bath here, but each one of those parts, again, has about 50 dimensions on it. I don't know how they make it. Anyway, some cases you have to go beyond the human side of things and let the machines take over. We're partnering with our friends at Citizen to launch an entirely new and exciting area for us, particularly around medical device manufacturing, and that's micro machining. So we keep adding. I think we have 4 machines scheduled to come in yet this year. We continue to actually go smaller and smaller to see how far we can actually push this technology. Give you an idea of scale, you can barely see that monitor moving and see the amount of shake it gives the part. Thank you. All right, so, give you an idea of scale. If you can zoom in, you can see the head of that tweezer. Yes. Yeah. So again, that was that.